Hey squad, team, fans, followers, welcome to an early 4th of July, late July 3rd, which is a Tuesday coin market update for IR4. Right now we're going to be pulling up the Bitcoin on Coinbase Exchange, and really not much happening. Honestly, so far, this curvature is working almost too perfect. It's a little scary how well this line's acting. And again, this is the one that I drew back on the 11th of June. So at this particular point, if we can get above the most recent high, we should be okay to at least hang out a little bit more this month. That's going to be the big key level, this $6,600 price. So the highs of these two candles, 6669.99 and 6673.99. So just that 66, 70 mark, really strong resistance. If we zoom into the hourly chart looks pretty good. You got that nice pop that happened back here. You had this really good rotation. That's really the last time we are looking at it, was this pullback. The last stock review we had, and it pulled back into the levels, this resistance at about 6,300. And you had another really nice pop on the second, yesterday, and we're kind of retracing that level to get a little bit of a pop higher. So I do like the look of that a lot. Here's your 4 hour kind of that double bottom pattern still shaping up, and that's again a good sign for sure. So really the level that we truly need to hold is probably this 62.58 level. If we can hold that, we should be chopping around and hanging out for a little bit longer. Obviously, I hope we don't go lower, but it looks like we probably still are going to go a little bit lower. You have what appears to be shaping up as a little bit of a morning star reversal. So that's big because these two candles are almost a tweezer bottom. So pretty massive stuff occurring at a very nice support. So yeah, if we take out the low of these candles, I mean, Bitcoin's definitely going sub 5,000. However, if we can take out the high of 7,000, sometime this week or next week, that's going to be a huge ordeal. Really excited to see if that actually is what transpires. So I didn't get any requests for today, but next week, if you have any requests, feel free to put them in the comment section below. And you're also welcome to hop over anytime to our podcast channel, patreon.com/anddoesrest4. And we have some really phenomenal content coming your way this upcoming week. But nonetheless, let's just go look at some of the other USD pairs. Here's Dash USD. And again, on the weekly chart, you can see it's trying its best to form a morning star reversal pattern, which is pretty good actually. Some very small, tight candle ranges, which is nice to see. But it's not great news that we're just getting automatically wrecked as soon as we went higher. So that's kind of lame. Here's Stellar USD XLM, and here's the Kraken exchange as well. And the XLM Stellar did trade down to a good support level. So this is a key price. If anyone's looking at buying more Stellar down at this level, this 18 cent price range, I mean, that's really what's happening. Is a lot of coins are at their April lows, where we had a beautiful bounce last time. I mean, Stellar went from 18 cents to 45 cents, right? So that's crucial. So we'll see exactly how that plays out. But I mean, if you were able to sell at 48 cents back in February 2000, this year, most recent February, and then you sold and you bought back again at 18 cents and sold at 45 cents and bought back in, it makes sense to me. So we'll see if that continues playing out on XLM. Here's Manero US dollar, and Manero also on Kraken, trying to form what looks like potential inverted head and shoulders pattern, right? It's trying. So you got something like this, got a little bit of volume coming in, so that'll be kind of interesting to see what that does. Here's the weekly chart, and the weekly, it did have what appears to me at least a nice, decent, healthy retracement. We're holding some decent support. We'll see how long we chop around down here, but it's still my interpretation that we're going to hang out and kind of chop around and accumulate for a while longer. Last but not least is EOS US dollar over here on Kraken. Here's the daily, and what's really interesting about this one is we actually are coming back to this previous resistance from all the way back in July, before they took EOS off of the Kraken exchange. So big resistance here, broke out, and is pulling back. That's a pretty good signal, honestly, and you're holding nicely. I'm really hoping this turns into a flag pattern. Maybe some of those kids getting out of college going to their family's house again since their last holiday, either in spring break, or Thanksgiving or Christmas, when the markets were just going bananas. Maybe the 4th of July holiday presents some other opportunities for some cash to come in and kind of pile into the markets and cause this hopeful bull flag to pop out higher. But we'll see. Again, the thing I'm most hopeful for at this point is probably just a chop sideways grind city for the next 2 or 3 weeks, and then hopefully a continuation higher from there. But as long as we accumulate and rest and just give this market some time to calm down, that would be fantastic. And eventually, some moon Lambos might show up. Who knows? But otherwise, folks, thanks so much for tuning in to your free Tuesday coin market update. I hope you all have a fantastic 4th of July. Enjoy your time with your friends and family, and I'll catch you all later. See ya. Bye.